how to turn on grammar suggestions on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on grammar suggestions on Gmail. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Gmail. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on the settings right here and click on see all settings. Now after you click on see all settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, as you can see, but all what you have to do is so simple. Scroll down until you find the grammar option right here. Now click on grammar suggestions on and it will be on. Now scroll down and click save changes right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.